We're down here at Trail's Edge today. We have our wall cassette unit, which was done by Airstream Mechanical. This is a split system heat pump. We also have another cassette in the living room. This is the ceiling cassette for the other part of the inside unit of the split system heat pump. We also have the HRV, which is then going to move the air throughout the house. And this is the outdoor unit for our split system heat pump. It's going to be a very efficient mechanical system between this and the HRV. The HRV is going to bring in our fresh, clean air. This is going to bring in our comfort. So it's going to have the heat and cooling for the house. This house is going to be a net zero ready home with the potential to be a net zero home if the homeowner decides to go with the package of solar panels on the roof. Yeah, we're really excited about being able to provide a net zero home. We'll do another little video on what a net zero home is and why that's important to you.